come into the picture. And suddenly that helps you change your words. You find yourself a bit more patient. You find yourself more smiling. You find yourself a bit more attractive. And then the shaitan comes to you and you start thinking, oh my God, he's changed me. Bro, whenever I'm with her, wallah bro, I feel so close to Allah. I found the one who will take me to Jannah. I've changed. Brothers and sisters, let me tell you something. Nothing's happened. This is all fake. It's just the newness of it all, the nice talk, it's normal. Wallahi, replace them with someone else, it'll be the same thing. I'm telling you. You don't believe me? I don't care if you don't believe me. I know what I'm saying. That's my evidence. Through experience, brothers and sisters, we've learned this stuff. Now, let me tell you something. You'll know a little bit about them. The most you're going to know about them, wallahi, I kid you not, it's not going to be more than 10% of what you're going to know about them. What are you going to know about them? Their genre of music, or their genre of what they like to read, their personality, they're funny, they joke, they like going to the beach, or they like going skiing, or they like horse riding. It's this superficial stuff that you're going to be sitting there talking about. That's all I've seen in young people when they meet outside. It's all about fun, joking, talking about superficial things that don't really matter for your marriage. The real stuff is when you dive in. Don't dive in the deep end, the shallow end. Just slowly go talk to your mum and dad. Say, Dad, you know, there's this girl, I heard about her. Even if you've met them, let's say in high school, in secondary school, you met them, you know about them, someone recommended you. Even if you happen to talk to them once in an open environment, I mean, realistically, this is what happens in our time. All right, just avoid any haram interaction, such as being secluded alone in a room together, such as starting to talk stuff that really now is unnecessary. It's not really the talk that you should be talking. You know, I'm talking about flirtatious talks, pick-up lines, and acting like you're all pious but you're not, and you're just showing the nice side of your face and the nice side of your body, or whatever it is. These things you know yourself. So once you get it serious and you start knowing and going to see him with the parents and family, or even with a cousin, or even with a family friend, it doesn't have to be straight to the father. It's okay if you're a bit scared of that. But I mean, if you're serious about it, brothers and sisters, you need to start going towards the family. Now, when you go to the family, you get to see how she is around her brothers. You get to see how he is around his sisters. I know you're all going to say, what if they lie? What if they fake it? What if? I understand that part. But this way, you will know more than what you will know when you're just you and him, or you and her. You will know a little bit more. I'm just saying it's a collection of things. This next step is to go and see how family dynamics. You're going to have kids, inshallah, and those kids are going to be in their family, the grandfather and grandmother and the uncles and aunts. What are they like? How is their situation going to be? How is their lifestyle? What is the lifestyle of your parents? You're going to know about 40 to 50% more about them and about their environment. And you don't have to go for one visit or two visits. Go many visits, as many as you like. Go 20, 40, 50, whatever. Insha'Allah. Along with that, you do your research on outside of the house. Ask about them. Check their social media. Ask friends. Do your research. Get someone else to ask about them. What are they like? What's their past like? Brothers and sisters, you're more likely to be safer this way and more clearer than just going out for 6 months or a year or 3 months or 4 months together alone, until the attachments and the relationship and the emotions start coming together. And then later on you're going to find out things that you wished you would have known before. You're not the same around this person as you are around your family, around your friends, around your brothers and sisters. I know a brother, he regretted big time. He got to know this sister through a cousin. And he thought, before going to the father, because it's too serious, man,